So you're wondering about the benefits of using a realtor in Los Angeles. I'm Jordan Humphreys, and I'm going to give you a quick breakdown why it's important to use a local realtor to buy a property. First off, it's important to understand the difference between a buyer's agent and a listing agent. If you are licensed in California, you are free to help owners sell their home as a listing agent or help buyers navigate the purchase as a buyer's agent. Now, agents are essentially independent contractors for brokerages, which include both small local brokerages as well as larger companies such as Compass, Remax, Redfin, and Keller Williams. While these brokerages vary with the resources they provide for their agents, they more or less function as the same, and all transactions are run through the broker. So you can think of agents as salespeople who put together the deals and pay out a portion of their commission checks to the brokerages who in exchange provide resources such as office supplies, real estate classes, and guidance. Now, unfortunately, shows like Selling Sunset make the job of a real estate agent look way too easy and that they are paid way too much money for the little amount of work they do. The truth is that the average median income of a real estate agent per year in the US is around $60,000 in 2024. This is before taxes, and you have to remember that agents typically pay for their own advertising, health insurance, gas, and many more business expenses. Also, what you don't see on those shows are how many deals fall through, how expensive it is to generate leads, and how much time realtors take to show properties to clients that never pan out. Now, there are agents who make much more money, but this is for the select few who are top producers in their city, and most of them have giant teams of employees under them that are on salary. Zillow and Redfin have made home buyers feel that they don't need to use an agent because they can find the home themselves. The common misconception is that realtors are just there to open up the doors, turn on the lights, and write a simple offer in order to close the deal and make a giant commission check. The truth is, these tasks are the easy part of the job. Buying and selling a property is often a long and difficult process that requires a lot of parties, and oftentimes most deals never reach the finish line. From start to finish, most transactions involve a title company, lawyers, an escrow company, mortgage lenders, home insurance companies, home inspectors, and so many other parties depending on the deal. Unfortunately, getting your real estate license is the easiest part of the job, which is why there are so many realtors and why every realtor is not built the same. My advice to anyone who is purchasing a property is to make sure you use a local realtor in the market you are buying in. In fact, if a client came to me asking me to represent them for a purchase in an area I don't know, I would recommend they find a local realtor instead. In a lot of ways, a great realtor is similar to a lawyer in that they are trusted advisors on how to avoid risk, such as buying a house with a lien on a property, buying a poorly constructed house, making sure contracts are bulletproof so you don't end up in a lawsuit down the road if your house falls apart. Now, some transactions can be done with a lawyer, but I wouldn't recommend this method unless you are a seasoned home buyer. Lawyers are great at drafting contracts, however, most don't understand the nuance that goes along with buying a home. To give you an idea of what a realtor does from start to finish, once you find a home you like, a realtor will help you craft a strong offer that will stand out amongst other offers that come through. If your offer gets accepted, the agent should be able to help you connect with trustworthy vendors and inspectors that are skilled at discovering any issues the property may have. Once inspections are complete, there's typically another round of negotiations for credits or repairs that need to be complete before closing. Now, there's so much more work that I haven't even touched on that a real estate agent will provide, but hopefully this gives you a solid idea of the importance of using a real estate agent. If you were looking to buy or sell a home in Los Angeles, our team would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Contact us today to discuss your real estate needs and discuss the home buying process in depth so you will be sure to secure your dream home.